Hello and welcome back. Oh, this isn't mine. Sorry, 1 second. Hi.
Hello! Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
I'm in front of the camera for once in my life.
Susan is multi-talented. Wow, also having some wine.
Yes, I got her alcohol so she will film.
We'll film for alcohol.
Yes, we'll see
There
if
we
she
go.
actually gets some good shots or if they get a little woo partway through. But we have some blind boxes that we are going to open. Mama, do you want to show them what they are?
They, of course, are her favorite character of all time, Stitch,
And do you know why we are doing this, Mom?
because
We just unboxed these little Miniso keychains. And there was a Stitch in the collection and we didn't get it. So I decided we are doing a collection that is all Stitch.
So these are made by Funko and they are their mystery minis. And as you can see here, some rarities are 1 out of 6. Some are 1 out of 72, 1 out of 24, and 12 and 36. Rachel,
We've got 72.
is there one that you really, really want, or you just
I don't
want
care.
them
They're all
all?
Stitch.
All right.
So-
what you got? There? Oh my.
oh Lord,
I got 6 more.
Yeet.
So we have 12. Ready, Mom?
Look
We
at
gotta clink the boxes. Clink the box.
ready to
Clink. All right.
Please put in the comments how many duplicates you think Rachel's going
Yes.
to end
I
up
expect
with.
the counts. Pause, count duplicates, and then put it there.
As for this though,
No cheaters.
Mama,
I'm
pick
just,
your victim and do
I'm
your
just
pyramids.
I will. I'm just.
She gets to do this as her retirement gig.
All right, we are all ready. I will let them have a break here, and we will be back with the first box. So what do you both lovely ladies think?
I think this is the crab.
This is one of the lions from The Lion King, but not sure which one.
All right, Rachel.
I was right. It is the crab. Look at how cute he is. This
Aw.
is definitely him as Sebastian.
And he is a 1 out of 6.
Yes,
Wait.
and I love the. You got the one. Is that the 1 out of 24? That is.
That is the 1 out of 24,
Look at
I
that.
It is. Look at how adorable he is, Mom. Good job. You got
think. Very,
it.
very nice. And the, I guess the main
Well,
is.
wait a minute. Hold on. I'm looking at. Oh no, I think
It's
it is the one out of-
translucent.
I think it is. It's translucent, so
It's
it is
super
1 out of
cute.
24. So not a bad first one.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the
The
lion
sleeps
sleeps
tonight.
tonight.
Time to open more figures because I love Stitch.
All right, next.
Banana Krista!
So who do we think?
I think a Cheshire cat. I just don't know which one.
And I think Thumper.
Okay, let's see. What'd you get?
It is Cheshire cat, and this is the 1 out of 6 one.
It is.
But look at how adorable he is, and he's using a feather duster as his tail.
Super
that's
cute.
so cute.
That's so
And this
cute.
is a 1 out of 12 one.
Oh, it is so
So
cute.
I've been getting the rare ones, but look.
I know you've had no commons or low rarity.
No,
Do
that's
better.
cute.
Excuse you.
I said what I said.
I'm trying here, but my mom
He's
is
being
rarer
sassy.
than I am.
Yes, I am. Consider
She's a diamond, and I'm an emerald. Actually, what is your birth? Isn't your birthstone a diamond?
Emerald.
No, yours.
You're the diamond of the season. You just somehow near the season.
I'm Eloise. At the plaza.
That's accurate. All right, on to our next. On to round 3.
I think this is another Sebastian.
You are not helping tonight well.
I'm trying.
Mama, do you have some luck? Because your daughter don't.
I'm thinking this is the Beast. As in
Were you right?
Beauty and,
I was right.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Wait, is that? No, wait, that's Gus Gus.
No.
Gus Gus.
Gus Gus.
Because
Yes.
it's got the shirt. This is Gus Gus
That's
from
Gus
Cinderella,
Gus.
and he is a 1 out of 12. So
He
Mama
is
adds
cute.
another rarer one to the
Gus,
list.
yeah, really super
So
cute.
cute. I'm okay with my mama doing better than me.
So we have 6 left to go. Grab your
So stinking cute.
Engines.
boxes.
May the best
Oh,
woman
wait a minute. But
win.
first, I want to
Eat. We scared the crap out of Bubby.
Success.
Success.
Grab your box and start your engines. All right. Why you got that face?
I think it's a Cheshire. I just don't know which one.
Okay, first we're going to start with your mama then. Who you think?
I think it's the same one I had last time. So one of the mice from Cinderella. Which side? Jacques?
No, I told you Gus Gus.
No, it is definitely Gus Gus. I don't
Gus
think
Gus.
there's a second one, but let's see.
Yeah, they're Jacques and Gus.
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
is.
is.
Oh, it's another Gus. So
But
we
he's
got
so
another
cute.
dupe
And we got another dupe.
and another Cheshire.
Okay.
On to the
All
next
right,
ones.
on to the next. Please hold. All right, their faces don't make me look happy.
It's Thumper.
I bet it's Cheshire Cat again.
But remember, there's 2 Cheshires. So if you got lucky, you
No.
did not.
No.
At
All
least
right.
this is 1 out of 12.
All righty. Well, we're working through. We have 2 boxes left. Let's hope we get.
Some different ones.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with that statement. All right, please hold. Final Lady Luck, what we got?
This is a beast.
She's saying a beast. I think this is another Thumper.
All right, let's
And
check
it
the
is.
thumper. It is.
Another Thumper.
And it is a shiny beast. Boom! I got a 1 out of 24.
It is a
Yeah.
metallic.
Yes. No, actually, it's not. It's like a translucent one.
Oh, very.
1 out of 24. Oh,
Yeah,
yes, it
he's
is.
a
So
1 out of
pretty.
24.
Look at
So,
that.
Okay.
have I redeemed myself potentially?
No.
I tried.
You opened the most dupes.
I tried.
So in this haul, we got 3 of the 1 out of 6 Cheshire Cats, none of the 1 out of 6 Lion King, 2 of the 1 out of 6 Little Mermaid, none of the 1 out of 6 Beast, 3 of the Thumpers, 2 Gus Gus, 1 translucent Beast, 1 translucent Lion King, and none of the really big rares.
Anybody want to trade this for a beast? Let us know in the comments.
Or one of these, too. We're happy to share.
Yep.
So how we feeling, ladies?
I'm feeling like I might need to get more of those.
Oh, boy. And she probably will. They're probably already sitting in her cart.
They're
They're
probably
not,
already on
actually.
their way.
Actually, they're not yet.
Yet.
In my
Well,
mind, they are.
thank you all for coming for another video. What should we unbox next?